What's going on, guys? It's your boy Count Dracula. We back. Today, we're here to check out this new radio. I got a new head unit for the Jetta. You know the vibes. Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing a couple items. Little gift from the missus right here. Little gift from Eonin over here. Bought this little package. Let's get into it. Change, why wait? Wow. I wasn't sure which one I was going to get, and it looks like this is going to match my trim even better since it's like a more matte black instead of that gloss trim. Wow. So I am going to be losing out on the CD player. I won't be able to play any CDs anymore. But this head unit does have GPS capabilities, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wired and wireless. Real quick, we're just going to unbox this real quick. Nothing too crazy. But, wow, man. This thing is gorgeous. Look at that. Straight from ECS Tuning. The machined aluminum handle brake. Oh, wow. This thing is awesome, guys. This thing is awesome. And it just, both pieces just come together like a glove. It's insane. Like, it's almost just satisfying putting these together. They just, like, they got these two little dowel pins that align both of those sides together. And it just goes together so perfectly. As I try to do that one-handed thing, and I can't do it. This thing is gorgeous, guys. I'm going to probably install this at the same time as the head unit, too. So that's why we're doing this video together. This shouldn't take too long. It's about 4 screws, 4 little Allen head bolts. Not too bad. This thing is going to look dope in the car. Also, didn't really realize I didn't show the steering wheel either. I guess I can show that in a second. Got a little bit about storage upgrade for the center console in the Jetta. Little center storage tray, which is pretty cool. We also got another little center console kind of storage little tray. Got a little bit of a deal on it. Oh yeah. See that, guys? It looks pretty good. Pretty solid, I'll say. He's got the spot for the screws. There's a part number on this, but I don't believe this is a factory part. But it'd be weird if this is a factory part. So in my last video, I put these blanks down over there in front of the shifter. However, they're all just power ports in order to charge. And I ordered this wire once again on AliExpress because I literally can't find it anywhere. These plugs literally only exist on AliExpress. It's insane. So this one pins to the back end of my radio, my new head unit. I'm going to use those 4 pins to plug into the radio. Over the place. This is going to be dope.